Hello, engineers!
Today, we want you to introduce a fundamental concept in fluid mechanics and hydraulic engineering called
Head loss!
What is head loss? The head loss is a measure of the reduction in the total head of the fluid as it flows through the pipeline. So, head loss along a pipe wall is called friction loss or head loss due to friction.
Think of it like sliding a heavy box across the floor. It requires effort because the floor resists the movement. Water needs pressure to push through a pipe because the pipe resists the flow. That's how the friction loss works.
There are two types of head loss. The head loss due to the fittings is known as the minor head loss. This is energy loss every time the water hits an obstacle, turns a corner or goes through a valve. It interrupts the smooth flow, creating swirls that eat up energy.
the major head loss corresponds to the head loss due to friction in straight pipes. So it depends on flow velocity, the pipeline, pipe diameter, and friction factor based on the roughness of the pipe and the whether the flow laminar or turbulent.
So I know you guys gonna ask, why does it matter?
Why does it matter?
If you don't calculate the head loss, your shower might just become a single water drop, or your garden hose might reach the end of the yard with enough force.
So let's take a look at this miniature we made.
As you can see here, when water starts at one end of a pipe, it has a certain amount of energy pushing it. By the time it gets to the other end, it has less energy. So that lost energy is called head loss.